What do you think?
I think it's yummy, Mama.
Yeah? You
It's
can
tasty.
take another bite. Yeah? Do you like it?
No.
No, keep eating it then.
I think I don't like it.
You guys are so funny. Why do you keep eating it?
I don't like it.
Take a drink of water. Yeah.
I like chicken on it. I don't want to take a bite either.
No, we can put it in your water.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste as strong in your water.